Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps hanging issues on Flow App. We go to settings. In this first page here of settings, as you see, we click then here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about Flow App. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.